Hello there. Hi everyone. Welcome back with the second regular Sudoku. It's a medium Sudoku in this newspaper of Wednesday, December the 30th, 2020. The second Sudoku is a medium Sudoku. Yes, one day left because the day after tomorrow it will be 2021. The second Sudoku is number 2083. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 3 is 14, plus 3 is equal to 17, plus 3 is 20, 21, plus 5 is 26. All right. 9, 10, 13, 16, 18, 21, yes. 25, 26, correction. So let's get started. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Four in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the row below, the third row, the only place for a 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, alright. Number 4, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3, should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, we see there 3, so no 3s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 2. Alright. Alright. Alright, and now, let me see. How about, the 5, I see here 5, 5, 5, 5, alright. So, we have a 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for 5 should be here or there. You see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be in there. This row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5 or there 5, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 here, Here also a 5, so no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. Alright. How about these two numbers in this big square? These two numbers are reserved for the number 6 and 8. 6 and 8, we see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for an 8 should be here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Alright. Do we have a 9? No. 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9s in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so in the row between. The second row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 5 and 7. 5 and 7. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Can I continue with the 5? Yes, 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so on the row between. The only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 4, alright. Then how about yes, a 1 in this row, a 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this third column for the number 7. Yes, 1 number left in the second column for the number 2. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 8 are missing. 6 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need to, no, we have an 8 here. 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6. Yes. Correction. 1 and a 6. That means 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 is missing, yes. Then 6. One number left in this second row for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this row, the 6 and the 8. Now we have a 6 there, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Now 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. Alright. Then 2 7 and 6. Alright. 1 2 7. 2 numbers left in this row, the 2 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. 2 and a 7. Need more information. Yes. 2 7. How about the 6? Yes. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle columns, in the column next. Only place for a 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for a 6 should be here. Now we have a 6 here. So this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be a 6 and this should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 7 and the 8 are missing. Cannot finish this. Let me mark those. Here also 7 and the 8. These 2 numbers then in this big square. The 7 and the 2. No, still cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 numbers then? The numbers 1 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 1 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 7 and the 2 again. 7 and the 2 again. Cannot fill this yet. So we have a 7 and a 2. This is a pair, so 1 number left in the middle column for the number 1. 2 boxes left, the 7 and a 2. Still cannot fill this yet. It's a pair. Here also a pair. So here should be also a pair. 7 and a 2. 7 and a 2. No. 7 and the 8. The last column, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box cannot be 7 anymore. This should be a 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 1 box left in this column for the number 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 1 box left in this column for the number 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Alright. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. And the final number of this big square for the number 1. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Medium Sudoku. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later for the killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. So see you then, and we will meet again. Bye bye for now.